This episode imagines Inception with a twist. The totem refuses to spin, leaving Cobb and the team trapped in a dream. Without a reliable reality, the crew loses bearings, changing loyalties and forcing each member to confront hidden regrets. A perpetual dream reshapes Mal's fate and makes Ariadne the moral compass, guiding a crew who cannot tell dream from truth. Time dilates and consequences blur, turning the heist into a philosophical duel about identity and trust. The finale redefines Cobb's purpose, focusing on memory and connection rather than merely escaping danger.